What's up, friends? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. We're gonna make some Bisquick beer biscuits to have with our dinner tonight. This is such an easy recipe. It only requires 5 ingredients and you can literally just throw these together. 4 cups of Bisquick mix, and then you want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter and get that poured in. Then we need the beer. You need 12 ounces of beer. I have a 16-ounce can. I'm just going to pour in 12 ounces and I'm going to drink the rest. So you definitely want a beer-flavored beer, which is exactly what Garage Beer says they are. But you don't want something that has like lime flavor, orange flavor, or something really, sweet. Just a beer-flavored beer is all you need here. So mix this together just until there's no pockets of dry ingredients left. Then you're going to take a 12-cup muffin tin and grease it up really well with nonstick spray. Then portion out all of that muffin mix right into the pan. I love to use a cookie scoop for this job. Makes it go a lot quicker and a lot cleaner. Once they're all portioned out, sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on the top of each one. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Pop these in there for 20 minutes until they are golden brown and cooked through. And they are so good. They're a perfect little biscuit dinner roll to have with dinner. Those were smoking hot, literally burned my fingers. So we're gonna wait just a minute until they're a little bit cooler. Soft on the inside, have a beautiful crusty golden top. They're absolutely delicious.